welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chicken breast in mustard sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious mustard chicken breast, these are my ingredients. I have salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, half a cup of mustard, half a cup of mayonnaise. Of course, the star, the chicken breast. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious and amazing mustard chicken breast. So let's get started. I want to show you how to give your chicken breast such a delicious and amazing flavor. Half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of mustard. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Remember, the salt is to taste, but this is going to give your chicken such an amazing and delicious flavor. You want to prepare your chicken breasts. Leave them nice and thin. I have 2 chicken breasts that I'm going to remove the fat, and then I'm going to butterfly it. I want to show you that you really want your chicken to be nice and coated with this amazing mixture of mustard. Yes, it sounds like, how is this going to be? Let me tell you, make it, enjoy it. You're going to love it. Just butterfly your chicken breast, and then you're ready to add it into the mixture. Once you add it to the mixture, coat your chicken from both sides, and then let it rest in the ingredients for about 1 hour before you start cooking. Let me tell you, the chicken is going to really absorb those amazing flavors. I really love enjoying this chicken chicken breast in mustard with rice, with the salad. You decide with what. But let me tell you, always when you marinate your chicken, let it rest for 1 to 2 hours so that chicken really absorbs all those amazing flavors. And remember, always butterfly your chicken so that every little crevices is covered and coated. And now, of course, I am ready to cover it and then just let it sit for about an hour or two. I always tell you, salt is to taste. Remember, all the ingredients are going to be in the description box, but this is very important. Let it rest, put it in the refrigerator, and then you're ready to start enjoying these amazing mustard chicken breasts. And now let's go to the stove and let's start cooking this amazing chicken breast. Look at this. Every piece is completely coated. On the pan, I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to make sure that I cover all the bottom. It's about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now that it's nice and hot, we're going to start adding the chicken breast. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and then you are ready to enjoy. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. And thank you so much for being part of my family. And now, of course, I'm just going to leave it here, medium-high heat. And then when it's bubbling and it's getting nice and crispy and golden brown, I am ready to flip. We're only going to flip twice. Look at this. After the 4 minutes, I'm going to flip, and you could see that it's getting nice and golden brown. Another 4 minutes. And when the other side is golden brown, I am going to cover and just let it rest for about 5 minutes. Look how delicious. I wish you guys were here to smell the aroma of all those spices in the chicken breast. Of course, this is done. Turn it off, cover it, and then just let it sit for about 5 minutes. And now I am ready to plate and enjoy. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And I am ready to enjoy. Look at this. I am going to enjoy it with an amazing corn salad that you already have on my channel. Look how amazing this looks. I can't wait to enjoy. My mouth is watering and I am ready to taste this delicious chicken. I'll see you in just a little bit. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So moist, so delicious. Beautiful family, I am completely done with this amazing chicken breast in mustard sauce. Let me tell you, they come out so tender, so moist that you're going to love them. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you didn't, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this tender and moist and delicious chicken and mustard sauce. See you soon. Bye-bye.